Hello viewers, welcome to you all, and in this video I'm gonna show you how can you find your Facebook Messenger story tab, or how can you add your Facebook Messenger story. So let's begin our video. So recently Facebook Messenger is updated and they added a new option, create room. Here you can see there have a option create room, but previous Messenger you can get a option here, the story tab, but now showing here the create room. So guys, how can you add your story, or how can you find your story now? So in this video I'm gonna show you that step by step. So guys, before starting our video, I would like to request you that if you are new here, please subscribe my channel, also bell button. So first of all, you simply open your Facebook Messenger application, and after that you need to tap on the bottom right corner. There have a option people. Here you can see people, showing people on the bottom right corner. Left side is chat and right side is people option. Bottom right corner, just tap this people, and then here you can see the story is showing here, and you can find the option your add a story tab. Here you can tap this and add your story here. So just tap it and then turn on and then allow it, and after that you need to tap or select any photo from your gallery, then add to your story, then add. That's it. Now here you can see your Facebook Messenger story is uploading, so you need to wait for a few moments. Here you can see it's uploading. After uploading complete 100%, then you can see your story. Here you can see this is your Facebook Messenger story. So guys, in this way you can add your Facebook Messenger story in recently updated messenger apps. So hope this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.